Hey, 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 yo, birdie, you wanna leave? Look. Hey, birdie, you wanna leave? Birdie, you wanna leave? Birdie, do you wanna leave? Birdie, do you wanna leave? I don't think he wanted to leave. I'll find another bird. Tip with feeding birds leaves. Always get the... Oh, there's a bird. Someone, go by. Always don't fall, but like... Oh, that's a bug, not a bird. Oh. God. But yeah, always, I got the whole tiny branch, but like, always get your leaf first before you feed the bird. See, there's a specimen right over there, eating some grass. Hey, specimen. Look, specimen. Got you some nice. Like for some birds, you just wanna throw it at them. You know, sometimes they might come back for a leaf, but like, don't think this one's coming back for a leaf, so I'll just throw it at another one. And anyhow, try not to fall. My legs aren't in the right place right now, like literally. But like, just tell me if you cut off those branches. That looks weird. Just tell me if you see a bird anywhere. I freaking God, I thought I said bird. Yes. Yes. So I see a bird standing pretty tall. Why are you standing so tall, bird? He's standing so tall. Why did you jump, bird? Still a bird. That looks like a wasp. That looks like a wasp's nest. Why would you have a wasp's nest on your front door? Balcony door. Balcony. Clean up after your pet. We'll kidnap one of these birds and then they'll be my pet. Oh my gosh, it's another bird. You see it? Yeah, you see it. Let's hear its voices. Why are you running away, bird? Why are you running away, bird? Look. Look, I'm gentle. I'm nice. Look, bird. Take the branch. What, bird? Watch branch, bird. Which branch, bird? Look, bird. Got you a branch. Bird. Look, bird. Got you a branch, bird. Got you a branch, bird. Got you a branch. Take the branch, bird. Why didn't you take the branch, bird? I see another bird. I see you, bird. I see you over there, bird. Where'd you go, bird? My bad. Forget this, I'm done bird hunting. Kids, step on birds when you see them.